Dear friend, you ask about the freedom we talked about when we last met. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. The silence can be heavy, and the world around seems to have passed me by. The truth is, it can be deafening. A strange kind of numbing quiet settles my mind. In this quiet, I've found freedom. Today I'm making a belt for myself. It's not a grand project, but I needed one. I found an old strap I will use. I think it's one of my father's. It's these moments, dance between me and the iron, that forge a different kind of currency. It's a learning curve, but it's a path I'm willing to take. The world might have moved on, but the iron sings my song within these walls. I'm pleased with that. It's a song of resilience, of a man carving a world of his own. Come visit soon, my friend. We will share time by fire. I will show you my new belt. Might not be much to the world, but to me, it's freedom captured. Best wishes.